hertz. K is equal to pi by 9.
Yes,
Now, after comparing, K is equal to pi by 9
Yes,
radian per centimeter. 2 pi by lambda, the value of K we have discussed in yesterday lecture. It is 2 pi by lambda is pi by 9.
Sir,
Pi will be cancelled. What is cancelled? Pi will be cancelled. The value of lambda is equal to 18 centimeter. Now we can check the options here. Yes, is the velocity of wave is 5 centimeter per second.
हेलो सर वीडियो नहीं आ रहा है.
You know, velocity of wave, how to find out here? V is equal to F into lambda. V is equal to F into lambda. What is the value of frequency is equal to 10. Frequency is equal to 10 and lambda is equal to, yes, it is 18. It is 18. So V is equal to 180 meter per second. 180 centimeter per second. हेलो
ठीक है सर ठीक है आया
हेलो
अभी ठीक है
is okay
okay sir okay now
okay. V is equal to F lambda. V is 180 centimeter per second. This is the velocity of a wave. Is the velocity of a wave. So yes, these all values we have taken in a class. Velocity of wave is given 5 centimeter per second and our velocity of wave is coming 180 centimeter per second. This is the wrong value. Is the wrong value. Here wavelength is coming 18 centimeter. Here wavelength is also 18 centimeter. This is the right value. This is the right value. Amplitude is 0.05 centimeter. Here amplitude is coming 5 centimeter. This is the wrong value. And the frequency is equal to coming 10 hertz. And here it is 50 hertz. Is a wrong value. So the wavelength will come 18 centimeter. 18 centimeter. So what we are learning from this question in a class here, any given equation, first we can convert into a general form of a progressive wave. First we will convert a given equation into a general form of a progressive wave. And then after both equations we can compare unit of omega. Unit of omega depends upon the unit of small t. Unit of omega depends upon the unit of small t. If small t in second, omega will be radian per second. Radian per second. If small t in minute, omega will be radian per minute. Omega will be radian per minute. Unit of k depends upon the unit of x. Unit of k depends upon the unit of x. If x in centimeter, k will be radian per centimeter. Radian per centimeter. If x in meter, k will be radian per meter. Radian per meter. So unit of omega depends upon the unit of small t. Unit of k depends upon the unit of x. Unit of a depends upon the unit of y. Unit of y. Okay, next question we can take in a class now here. The equation of, write down next question. The equation of a progressive is given by, the equation of progressive wave is given by y is equal to y naught sine of 2 pi
सरको नेटमा केही प्रब्लम भयो जस्तो एकैछिन है। मनोज सर, मनोज सर, मनोज सर, मनोज सर, आपका बोर्ड रोटेट हुआ है। मनोज सर, मनोज सर, आपका बोर्ड रोटेट हुआ है, साउंड भी नहीं आ रहा है।
The equation of a progressive wave is given by
Sir, board
y is
rotated
equal
हुआ है।
to y naught sine of 2 pi ft minus x by lambda. The maximum velocity of the particle of medium is equal to the 4 times of the wave velocity. Yes, 4 options are given on the board here. Lambda is equal to pi y naught. Lambda is pi y naught by 2. Lambda is pi y naught by 4. Lambda is equal to 2 pi y naught. Okay, try to solve this question.
और बोर्ड रोटेट हुआ है। ठीक है सर, ठीक है।
देखो आप इसमें जो So question here, the equation of progressive wave is given by y is equal to y naught sine 2 pi ft minus x by lambda. The maximum velocity of the particle of the medium is equal to the 4 times of the wave velocity. 4 options are given here. Yes, what is mentioned in the question here? The maximum velocity of the particle of medium is equal to the 4 times of the wave velocity. So what is given part here? Vp maxima is equal to 4 times of the wave velocity. Vp maxima is equal to 4 times of the wave velocity. It is given. Vp maxima is equal to 4 times of the wave velocity is a given part here.
वीडियो नहीं आ रहा है।
The maximum velocity of the particle of medium is equal to a omega. We discussed in a class yesterday, today also. So the maximum velocity of particle of medium is equal to a omega is equal to 4 times of v. You know, all students here in yesterday lecture we have discussed omega by v is equal to a.
कौन सर?
Omega by v is equal to k. So omega is the angular velocity, v is the wave velocity, is equal to wave number. It is equal to wave number. So the value of v is equal to omega by k. V is equal to omega by k. If there is any doubt arising here, you can check to yesterday lecture. In yesterday lecture, we discussed these all things in a class here. So omega by v is equal to k, or v is equal to omega by k. So this is equal to omega by k. This is the wave velocity. Here v is the wave velocity, and this is the maximum velocity of the particle of medium. So the maximum velocity of particle of medium is equal to a omega. Wave velocity is equal to omega by k. सबसे नहीं आ रही है, मतलब क्या है यार, क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है भाई? सत्यानाश हो गया।
ठीक है, अभी आया।
Maximum velocity of particle of medium is equal to a omega is equal to 4 times of the wave velocity. Wave velocity is equal to omega by k. Omega by k. Okay, so put this value here. Maximum velocity of particular medium a omega will be cancelled. Omega will be cancelled. Now this equation we can compare. This equation we can compare with the general equation of progressive wave. What is the general equation of progressive wave? Y is equal to a sine of omega t minus ax. Omega t minus ax. Y is equal to a sine omega t minus ax plus phi naught. Now this equation we cannot compare right now because here 2 pi is outside. 2 pi is outside. What is y is equal to y naught? Sine of 2 pi we can take inside it here. 2 pi ft. 2 pi ft minus 2 pi x by lambda. 2 pi x by lambda. This 2 pi we are taking inside the equation. Inside the equation. So y is equal to y naught sine 2 pi ft minus 2 pi x by lambda. Now this equation in this form here. Now this equation in this form here, after comparing both relations here, the value of a is equal to y naught. The value of a is equal to y naught. Equal to y naught. Yes, comparing these two relations, amplitude is equal to y naught. Now simplify this relation here. Simplify this relation here. Yes, a into k is equal to 4. A into k is equal to 4. Cross multiplication. The value of a is equal to y naught. The value of a is equal to y naught, and the value of k is equal to 2 pi by lambda. 2 pi by lambda, and it is equal to 4. It is equal to 4. Now simplify here. It will be cancelled 2 times. The value of lambda will come pi y naught by 2. Lambda will come pi y naught by 2. Yes, we can check our answer now here. Yes, lambda is equal to pi y naught by 2. This will be the right answer of our question. Okay, one more question write down. The equation of progressive wave. Wave is given by, the equation of progressive wave is given by y is equal to 60 cos 1800 t minus 6x. That equation is given. Y is equal to 60 cos 1800 t minus 6x, where x in meter, y in micron, where x in meter, y in micron, and t in second. T is in second. Then the ratio of Vp max, then the ratio of maximum velocity of a particle. Then the ratio of maximum velocity of particle to the wave velocity. Then the ratio of the maximum velocity of the medium to the wave velocity is first option 360, second 360 into 10 to the power minus 4, 360 into 10 to the power minus 6. Last one is suppose none of the equation of progressive wave is given by y is equal to 60 cos 1800 t minus 6x, where x in meter, y in micron and t is in second, then the ratio of the maximum velocity of the particle of medium, ratio of the maximum velocity of the particle to the wave velocity, Yes, what is asking part in a question? Vp maxima divided by small v. Vp maxima divided by small v. This is asking part here. The ratio of the maximum velocity of the particle of medium to the wave velocity. This is asking part here. What is Vp maxima is equal to a omega. Vp maxima is equal to a omega. Wave velocity is equal to omega by k. Wave velocity is equal to omega by k. It is cancelled. The value is coming a into k. The value is coming a into k. Yes, A and K will come from here. Yes, the value of amplitude is equal to 60. Amplitude is equal to 60. But it is not in meter, not in centimeter. It is in micron. It is in micron. Unit of A depends upon the unit of Y. Unit of A depends upon the unit of Y. So if Y in micron, amplitude will also be in micron. Amplitude will also be in micron. So amplitude is equal to 60 micron. It is 60 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter. 10 to the power minus 6 meter. So unit of A depends upon unit of Y. Next part is required. K is the wave number. The wave number is equal to 6. Wave number is equal to 6. And X, it is clearly given in meter. Clearly given in meter. So if it is in meter, it is radian per meter. Radian per meter or per meter or per meter. Radian is a supplementary unit we can eliminate. So K is equal to 6 per meter. K is equal to 6 per meter. So amplitude is equal to 60 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter. K is equal to 6 per meter. These value we can take it now. A is equal to 60 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 6. This is 360 into 10 to the power minus 6. That will be the right answer of our question. So check the options now. It is 360 into 10 to the power minus 6. Questions are not over here. Many more questions are remaining to discuss here. It's just beginning of the questions in a class here. So it should be clear in a class. Unit of A depends upon unit of Y. Unit of omega depends upon unit of T. Unit of K depends upon unit of X. Unit of K depends upon unit of X. Okay, today's lecture is now over here. We'll now be continuing next day lecture here. Yes, next day we will take first numericals in a class of the same topic. We will take the new topic then after in a class here. Till then, goodbye, all students.
Okay, thank you, sir. 5 मिनट ब्रेक हुन्छ है तपाईहरुको 5 मिनट ब्रेक हुन्छ अनि त्यसपछि क्लास फेरि सुरु हुन्छ